2017 Ford Mustang 5.0 Beast. We'll show you why. It's really built. It's got Cook's headers there and there. Then it's got Cook's catalytic converters, high flows, right there, part of the system. And then it's got a double X pipe, Cook's also, 3-inch. The whole system is 3-inch. There's the first X pipe, second X pipe, and then what we got put on it that he brought in was a CORSA axle back. Right there, 3-inch. And you know, we don't like clamps, so we weld everything when we are allowed to, when people let us. So everything's welded. Really nice, really clean. Into some 5-inch massive tips. CORSA tips. There and there. So it's a CORSA axle back with double X pipe, high flow cats, and Cook's headers. Headers. Sorry. There it is. Mustang GT. And it's got some slicks on it too. So we'll see what she sounds like in a minute. This is what we cut off. It was some just generic Flowmaster, like glass backs kind of. I'll tag you in a second. Nice. Woo. It almost reached 130. Man, my ears. Woo! You guys can only imagine how good it sounds. Oh my God. This sounds really good. That is sick. CORSA never disappoints, man. That is sick.
It is a nitrous.
Yeah. It's a nitrous? And what else? Tell us what's got on it.
So it's full bolts on the 85 and a 175 shot of nitrous.
Nice. Hope you guys heard that. There it is. Full E85 and nitrous. There it is. Go ahead. That's sick, man. Oh my God. Let you guys hear on the inside. There's a nitrous kit on it. Dun, dun, dun. How many horse?
620.
620. Yeah, you're gonna need some sound insulation. There it is, guys. The fuel cell.
Wow.
That's nice. Still smoking. Look at that.
It's not a
Mustang 5.0. A really nice tire setup on it. Really nice. And we'll tag his Instagram so you guys can follow him. I think it's Jerry Simpson at 94. I'm not sure. But we'll tag it in there. I took a picture of his Instagram for you guys if you want to follow his build.